Flower hanging is one of traditional Thai floral decorations which represents the creativity and delicacy of the Thai together with showing the richness of natural resources in the old day. Therefore, floral decorations could be seen everywhere, such as temples, royal palaces, and houses. So today I'm going to show you how to do this delicate flower hanging called Na Chang. Let's start. First, grind the bamboo into tiny pieces. Peel off the crown flower. Try to use the same size of the flowers to create the equal space of the net. Thread the crown flowers using 4 crown flowers for each face. Mark the bamboo into faces. Each face is equally divided away from each and about 1 per 8 inches. Ta-da! It looks like this. Repeat the pattern once again to complete the first phase. Then tie the thread and repeat the whole steps again and again in the same row. When the first row is done, move downwards and start a new row until there is only one last phase left. This net is triangular. Thread the crown flowers by putting the flowers in the same direction from each tip of the bamboo. Tie the 2 flower threads to create a hanger lace.